Good evening to you wherever you are in the world. We are just about ready for the action here. Kickoff is imminent. The teams indeed with us very soon, having exchanged their various pleasantries. What I have to tell you is that the weather may not be great for the duration of the evening. Clouds yet to open, but one suspects that they will pretty shortly. And when the rain comes, we are warned to expect plenty of it. We have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. This is the lineup we've been given. How do you read it, Jim?
Reminders of a golden era in English football, I should add, and it continues to hold its place in the modern game. Playing a second striker runs the risk of being outnumbered in midfield, of course, so with the wider pairing and fullbacks, plenty of running has to be part of their play, and of course the right service into the box. Good effort, very good effort. He would have at least wanted to make the keeper work, though.
Hoists it forward. For a corner kick. Tries to get it clear. Battles to win it back. It's loose. Who's getting there? Kicks it out wide. Gets away from his opponents. Defending of the desperate variety. Seen Jim over the early moments of the game.
On both sides.
Hits one!
Well, I suppose it wasn't the worst attempt if you consider how far out he was.
Other side, yet able to find the net. He's got options out wide. Over the goal line for a corner. Played it short. Oh, that's a waste. firm. cross. It's a loose ball. Dashing forward at pace. Has a hit! Oh, didn't catch it right.
Well, that's why we all say indecision is fatal.
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And he has been fouled there. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card. Goalkeeper's ball. Forward it goes. Played out to the right. Out to the left it goes. And there's a long ball. It's a brilliant interception. Tries to get it clear. Chance to shoot. He's had a shot! It's in! First blood drawn. Calm, composed, confident. What a super goal.
I just thought he knew exactly what he was doing by fading to move midway and then readjusting back. Control trickery.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
He's gone for it! Oh, he's missed it.
Well, I think a little eagerness just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back-page headlines there.
And it's played forward. To get it forward quickly, and it's played forward. Plays it out to the flank. He's got away. That is terrific skill. And that'll be the final action of the first half. And there we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal. It is very, very tight.
Hasn't exactly got the plan so far, but there's no need to panic. There's still plenty of time to get back into this. As always, an early goal would help swing things back in their favour.
second half gets underway.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
Loose ball, who's going to get there? Gets good distance on it. It did look promising to start with, but in the end they were thwarted before they could even make it into the final third. That's a throw. It's broken loose. Looking to break out here. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Still chasing the game, trailing by 1. Looking for space out wide. Forward it goes. Almost an hour gone. Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, there'll be no accusations of a lack of effort. They're giving us good...
He's had a go! It goes to show he is human after all.
Well, Peter, I would say it was worth a try.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Hoists it forward. Well played, he saw that coming. Plays it over to the other flank. He's through the middle, gets going for goal, and in it goes. And with that goal comes comfort. There was to be only one outcome.
Yeah, and he knew all along what he wanted to do, and it's a really great instinctive finish.
On the clock now. And here's the chance to counter. Over to the left. He's made sure that that won't get through. A real chance if he can get through. Defenders on the back foot. Plays it out to the wing. Shot at goal! Help's available out wide. Going through. Forward it goes. It's found its way to him. Yeah, he's fouled him there.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score. And obviously, he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is. He's gone for the shot. Out to the right. Nice to get it forward quickly. Now they can break here. And that's it. No joy for the players, nor indeed for the loyal fans. It has ended in defeat. Thoroughly disappointing outcome. Would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
It's a poor result. They offered very little goal threat, and it's the kind of unproductive performance that can drain confidence pretty quickly. At the business end, they just can't close a deal.
That's where we have to end it. From me, Peter Drury, and my co-commentator, Jim Beglin. A very good evening.